20 divided by 2, which gives us 10, okay? Which gives us 10. Sorry, this one is 10. Then 2 times 10, which equals 20. Then here 20 divided by 20, okay? 20 divided by 20, which equals to 1. But this one is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent and multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction, okay? Therefore, remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction here. In this expression, there is one parenthesis and one division and one multiplication here, okay? One multiplication. First we have to do this parenthesis and this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division or this parenthesis, it is wrong, okay? It is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis, okay? So 20 divided by 2, which gives us 10, okay? Which is 10. 20 divided by 2, which is 10. Then here 20 divided by 2 times 10. Okay, here division and multiplication, okay? According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. Therefore, we have to divide this number first. 20 divided by 2, which is 10, and times 10, okay? Then 10 times 10, which equals 100. The correct answer of this problem is 100. Therefore, 20 divided by 2, in parentheses 20 divided by 2, then which equals to 100. Okay, this one is the correct answer of this problem.